welcome to Rajpa's World and Merry Christmas. So today we're opening this Superwings toy, and they got this toy for Christmas, and it's with Jet and Paul with their super balls. And we have to cut this out, all of this. Then we have to cut everything. So we'll need to open all of the sides, I think. And I didn't really know how to open this. So now that this is opened a bit, now I can unbox. So there's like, I've not unboxed this before. So the accessories go in the ball, and this is for the Series 6 World Guardians, and I've only seen up to 8 series of Superwings, if you've not. And now we're going to fully open it. So Jet is with the fireball and Paul is with the animal ball. So here's our first ball. Now there's no accessories, which is going to not be really cool, but they're about to be in here. So this can open and close, and there's like red and yellow on it. And now Jet's coming to get opened, and there's Paul and the accessories for Jet and the accessories for Paul. So this is Jet, and now we're going to get the accessories. This is an exciting recording, and I have no idea how to close this. And these are the accessories. Now we have to open this hand. And first we have to put this whole big thing. I'm not 100% sure if this is right. This is how it's going to be like for now. Then this is for the hand, and if you can see, this goes here. I'm not sure if this is right. I have no idea how to do it. So we will have to just put this here. Now, this instruction will be good for helping me. So this is all of it. Now, let's see. Just open it up. And these are instructions which do not work for me. I don't know what's happening. But there's like this thing for the head. It doesn't really do much good about this. So now we have to put this, yeah, and I will need some help because this doesn't do anything. Can't do it like that. So we have an animal ball. I can't open it somehow. So now it's opened. Then it will open more easier afterwards. So I didn't. Let's see. Let's see if Paul is easier. That's good. We have to press it somehow. This part, don't really know. So I guess it would go like this if it was not so hard. Let me see. So this is finally it. And this can open. And this can't do anything. So that means we'll have to first put these on. So this can go. I have no idea what's going on. Yeah. Do it hard, and this will be good. Where does this go? The feet or on the hand? Say on the feet. So this is how it is like. And this is for Jet, and this, I didn't know what this is. So I'll guess we might just have to take this out and let's see if they can fit. Yes, they can.
Just keep everything in each of the balls and finish the video. The toy accessories put in the ball and finish the video.
The ones which are not on, I'll just put in the balls. Yeah. And then the video could just end. Because I have no idea what to do. And I have to put them for the right ball with. And this is how it's like in an aeroplane. So, put the fire. And bye bye, please subscribe. Merry Christmas if you're watching it today. Please subscribe if you've not with this Christmassy video. And no unboxing all of these in the holidays for me.